When I was 15, I was harassed by a flight attendant on United for wanting to record the wing during takeoff. He interrogated me and called me a freak. A 15-year-old aviation geek traveling back to my mom in Sweden alone after visiting my dad where he lived in New York. For the past 10 years, I've avoided US airlines like the plague in favor of European airlines. First when visiting my dad, and now as a full-time flight reviewer. I'm obviously not scared of flying US carriers anymore, and in fact, I feel that in some ways they really do surpass European airlines nowadays. I recently reviewed United Polaris in full on my YouTube channel, and it was a significant flight because